with bands gone. Stacy, do your dance. Get it sexy. Get it sexy. Get it sexy. Get it sexy.
Never would have made it. Morning, and welcome to Shell's Circle. For those y'all who don't know, I am Shell, and welcome to my circle. We just arrived in Vegas. We have like an 8-hour layover, so we are on our way to get something to eat. I made reservations for breakfast, so we're going to this place called The Flight. It looks pretty good, so we're going to go catch an Uber right now. When we get there, I will start filming again. It's going down at the airport. Look. You don't even have to leave the airport. They got you right here.
I'll make the phone call. I'll make sure, but not if it's doing that. The phone call, yeah,
Robots that make your drinks. We're in Vegas on our layover. We're walking the streets of Vegas right quick. We're headed back to the airport in about 30 minutes. We're on our way to get some souvenirs for his mom, and then we're gonna catch an Uber back to the airport. So we're walking back where we ate at this morning. I didn't vlog where we ate at. We ate at the Flight inside of Planet Hollywood. I really wasn't feeling good, so I really didn't eat all the food, but I did eat the basic breakfast, English muffins, eggs, bacon, and potatoes. The potatoes are actually good. Even my husband said it was good, and he got chicken and waffles. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We're walking the streets of Vegas. Only in Vegas and in Puerto Rico will you get alcohol in the mall, not in Texas.
Step to your right, now slide with it. Turn to your left, walk it to your right. Now move it on up, hey, move it on up. Now walk it to your left. Now bring it on back, hey, bring it on back. Now kick with it, hop out in, now kick with it. Step to your right, now slide with it. Turn to your left. Biker shuffle, it's the biker shuffle. I do that biker shuffle. Come on, time, biker shuffle. I do the biker shuffle. I'm seeing the biker shuffle. Let's go, biker shuffle. Alright, now what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to call out all my MC clubs, all the sports clubs, like FC.
Doing this shit bad. I'm in when I got it black. I'm a big time. Walking through the club looking like a snack. What you do that, dog? Very sexy. Very sexy. Very sexy. Very sexy. Big sexy blood, love the hoe. Bounce that ass, touch some toes. Walk the shorts, coochie swole. Dog all in my booty hole. Niggas cheaters, they don't go. Trust a nigga, that's a no. He get in my coochie though. Awesome Johnson got me though. What do man say?
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to Shell Circle. As you can see, what is going on, I am in Milwaukee. Me and my husband flew down here for their 20th anniversary, and they just pulled out on their anniversary ride. Each chapter does an anniversary ride. So we had chapters come from Chicago. We have chapters come from Atlanta. I've seen some from Tennessee. I've seen some from Baltimore. I've seen some from Boston. And of course, you know, Texas can represent. There's some from Dallas, Texas. There's some from El Paso, Texas. We're everywhere around the world, but we came to support Milwaukee in their 20th anniversary. So come and join me and celebrate their 20th anniversary. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with me this weekend. Baby looking good. The Ray-Bans on. You got that mustard green. That Bob Marley outfit with the mustard green dunks. This that outfit check. Huh?
What you want to eat?
Turn her to me.
How you do it?
Hey, I got my pajama vest on.
You can go
My
through.
blue jean shirt. You know, I got some olive green shorts. This is cargo shorts. Hey, I got the same bunch. Next time, right? I got that good blue. Okay.
What you want to eat?
I don't know. Let's walk around, see what they got. But I don't mind Cheesecake Factory. You know I don't mind. You know I'm not one of them kind of girls.
Oh, that's what you want to eat?
We rented the Tesla for the weekend. The black. It got the butterfly doors. Let's see if it'll open. Hold on. We rented the Tesla for the weekend in Milwaukee. This is our first time driving a Tesla. We wanted to try it out. And this one came with the butterfly doors. Uh-oh. There it go. You see it. Yeah. This is actually a decent size. This is something that I can ride with me and my girls. This is a nice size. We're getting ready to go get something to eat.